Hello creatives, welcome to my channel and welcome to a Shots of Life kit from the ScrapRoom, the November half of this next Shots of Life kit I have for you today, and we're going to create a double page, pocket page layout. So lots of fun things. If you've never had the Shots of Life kit, I highly recommend it. One, not only if you aren't going to be doing any pocket pages, it just adds to your Flavors of the Month kit. If you're already getting it, it just gives you one more paper and some more embellishments for your Flavors of the Month kit. Because it coordinates with those every month at the ScrapRoom, which is awesome. But it's a great way also, if you've never done pocket pages, or if you are doing pocket pages and you've never gotten this, it's a great way to add to your stories that you're telling in big pages or smaller pages, or if you're only a pocket pager, like it's a great little kit to have for telling the stories that you want, because there's so many good things that come in it. So I'm going to go through what you get for the November half of this kit, and then we will make a 2-page pocket page. We're going to do traditional, the 4x6 and the 3x4 pockets in the middle. I've got just some random little stories in my son's 2014 album that I haven't gotten on a page yet, that I'm going to get documented today. So I have a bunch of random photos that kind of don't go together, but they're all around the same time period, that kind of thing. And this lovely kit. So this is the November half of the November-December Shots of Life kit. So we get one sheet here, I'll go in order here, of Cartabella 3x4 journaling cards. And this is Cartabella homemade. So it's this gorgeous floral on this side, and then the 3x4 cards on this side, which are great. They literally could be for everything. I'm really leaning towards these ones right now, maybe even this one, so we'll see. So those are kind of what I'm leaning towards, and I'm really liking pulling the greens and yellows out of here, so you might see me use quite a bit of that one. There's also one sheet of Paige Evans paper number 1, which is this one. So this is from Garden Shop, the newer collection that is out. So it's this floral print on the back, and then the cut apart page, which is sometimes 3x4s, sometimes these squares. There's never 4x6s usually on hers. They're always kind of wonky. So these are a little bit harder when you're doing pockets, because they're, unless you have different kinds of pockets. If you have the traditional pockets, these are going to be the things that you add to your pages usually. So you get one of those. Simple Stories 4x6 elements from The Simple Life. So here's some 4x6 cards. Love those. This is fun. And then this beautiful neutral on the back. Alright, so this gorgeous paper. And then last but not least, you get a sheet of Vicky Bouton's Print Shop for 3x4 cards. So tons of 3x4 cards. But then it's this beautiful green on this side. But yes, tons of 3x4 cards to play with this time. And then you always get some embellishments. So we've got some Simple Stories chipboard pieces to go with that, which those are going to vary depending on what part of the chipboard sheet you get. We get a sheet of Vicky Bouton sticker book, also going to vary depending on which one you get. I got some good ones. And then you get half a pack of Cartabella frames and tags, and a half a pack of Paige Evans icons, ephemera. Yeah. So let's see. These are the page ones. Got a lot of good things. That puppy's really cute. Couple houses. Alright, so that's the half a pack I got. That's gonna vary. You're not everybody's gonna get the same half. Or even if you get a similar half, you're still gonna have things that are different. And then this is the half a pack Cartabella frames and tags, which is, like I said, also is going to vary. So this is what I got. A little lemon slice. Bless this mess. Oh my gosh, that's perfect for one of my photos. Okay. Life is sweet. Thank you. Made with love. Home is wherever I'm with you. That's great for some of my photos too. We can't find sunshine, be the sunshine. And then hello dear friend, and then a nice frame. So that's actually all really good things. Okay, so I'm definitely leaning towards doing more of the Cartabella for this set of pages, but I can tuck in some of those other colors from the other collections. So let me get to arranging my photos. So I just have just kind of an extra photo from another layout of my son rolling, just randomly sleeping places. We started tearing apart our basement. So I've got that. I've got another close-up of him sleeping, the cat hiding in his bassinet, which is full of stuff. Yep. Him lifting his head and just being cute. Yeah. So they were all around the same time frame, so I just kind of wanted to get them on, but didn't necessarily need a whole page for each of them. So that's the way I like to use pocket pages. I don't do like Project Life or anything like that, but I like to use them to kind of lessen how many 12 by 12s are in my albums, otherwise they get giant. So these ones especially. So this one I have a specific story for. This one's kind of a specific story, and then these other ones are kind of just extra photos. Alright, so I'm going to get to trimming these down and get all my papers kind of set, and then I'll show you what I all cut, and we'll start assembling a lovely 2-page pocket page. Alright, I'll be back. Okay, I have trimmed 2 papers almost completely up. So I have used the Cartabella paper and the Simple Stories paper, and I have used most of that because I like the kind of like soft greens and blues that are in there. They all kind of go together, I feel like. And then this pop of red, because I have lots of red in our toys and in some of the photos. So I was kind of scattering around some pops of red, which I find interesting that there's pops of red, because like this pattern paper barely has any red in it, but it's fine. It's fine. I really like the way it's looking. Okay. So I've got one photo that's going to fill, and then I've got a couple 4x6 cards. I haven't decided if I actually want these one over here, but I think I do. Because says the same thing as this, basically, and so it kind of ties those two together in a way. I really like that this green goes, this is the Simple Stories collection, goes so well with the Echo Park collection. Very, very nice. I do think I'm going to matte this photo on white. I'm going to try and find a thing to journal on for this card. That's the only thing, is like I like a lot of the pattern, but you can't really journal on it. It gets lost. So I was just trying to scatter around some yellow and red to make sure it's kind of everywhere, and then it's evenly distributed across both pages so that they look like they coordinate. I could fussy cut some of these houses out. That would be kind of cute. Or even matte my photo in this first before I stick it on this. That could also happen. I thought about using this card, but I liked, or do I want the houses up there? I wanted some more of the dark. Ooh, that's kind of cute though too. Maybe we'll do that instead, and I'll save this one. This one, a couch I don't necessarily need as much, but there's less words. So actually, I think I'm going to do the house, because I have this house down here. And then I might trim my photo down a little and might matte it on here. And then put it down, just so it pops a little bit more. And then that will use some of this card. And then I've almost used 2 full cards, or 2 full pages, which is awesome. I have the embellishment add-on as well, so I think I'm going to pull that in just to add some more stuff. I have these, which is awesome, so we'll add some of those. We'll go through this again. I'll add maybe like the camera and some other things. Like this great stuff matches really, really well. This is a nice green pin, and then it'll add a little touch of gold. So maybe we'll do that. We'll go through this a little bit more. And then I'm going to grab Yeah, the embellishment add-on, because you get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet of Simple Life and some enamel dots from the Echo Park collection. So, and there's words from the Vicky Bouton collection. All right, I've glued things down and I've added a few things. So I grabbed this sticker off the Vicky Bouton sticker sheet. I had this little chipboard, this sticker, and then this sticker. I think I'm going to, I was trying to figure out, this is the, from the ephemera from the Paige Evans collection. I think I'm going to kind of like layer these up right here. I was just trying to figure out a good way to do this. But I kind of like to make it look like that's clipped together, just so I can journal over here. Like, or do I want to like, journal there, or there, or there, or there. That's what I hate. It's like, I can't ever make a decision. I want to put this camera somewhere as well. So, off the Vicky Bouton sheet. So let's look at what's in the embellishment add-on, because I was looking at that stuff. And it's just for more. There's plenty in, the Shots of Life kit, but I just want to show you what's in the embellishment add-on. So the embellishment add-on comes in with a 12 by 12 sticker sheet of the Simple Stories, the Simple Life collection, which is awesome. So then I can add a bunch of these little word stickers and things like that. So I was going to grab some of those. It comes with the Cardabella enamel dots, which go really well with that as well. You get half a sheet of the puffy phrases. There we go. American Crafts puffy phrases for print shop. And then half a pack of Paige Evans floral ephemera, and that's going to vary. And so this is all the florals, so it's leaves and things, which make me super happy. I'm not going to break into those, but I just wanted some of the words and the stickers and the enamel dots from my, for this page. I feel like I want this little blue heart and this green heart. And my camera. Okay. I kind of like that sometimes the pattern cards just give you a place for your eye to rest, but I also kind of like the fact that this card is just this cute little house and bringing in all that color together in one spot. So this is where I struggle. But I'm going to add this full heart right there. We'll add the chipboard butterfly there, and then we'll journal on this one. So since I've got some, I was gonna add maybe a couple hearts. Puffy heart there, puffy heart there. We'll put a couple yellow over here because we already got a little heart. So let's do a couple yellow, and then we'll just add a little yellow one up here. And then I have tiny little hearts as well off the sticker sheet that came in the Shots of Life kit that I can also add. So if I want, I can add like this little one there. I kind of like this. And that way there's something on every card. Chaos and love. There we go. Cute. You'll see more of the embellishment kit soon. Promise. All right, I think I'm done. So I will get you some close-ups here in a second. Let's get these and a nice shot of all of it together. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you go check out the page, the Facebook page, where you can see tons of inspiration and all the kits and sneaks and the Instagram and everything will be all linked down below, as well as the shop, of course, where you can get all these lovely goodies. I highly recommend the Shots of Life kit. I love it. I appreciate you watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.